Cruisers, look, we back. The update, I got my room looking mighty fine. Got a couple little small tweaks to do. It's coming together good. Next week, I will be going out of town to Florida for the first little, shall you say, trip, vacation of the year. Expect lots of randomness, bonanzas, just get it how you live stuff. Lots of funny things. I'm still planning on trying to push out a couple videos a week after I get back from vacation and do some editing and all that good stuff. I'm gonna try to do what I can for y'all. I appreciate the likes and the comments and the shares we got before. Let's keep them going. Who knows, maybe I'll be famous one day. I can share the love, shoot y'all some cool stuff, some merch or something, I don't know. But yeah, we got my room, you know, it ain't done, but it's getting there. Just looking for some couple cosmetic things. It's gonna be cool though. But I will catch y'all here soon. We in the school line picking up these kids. We finna move up, so we'll catch y'all. Just give y'all a little update. Like, share, comment. Like, share, comment. That's how you get your ratings up.